how to remove Netflix movies from continue watching. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can remove Netflix movies from continue watching section, so make sure to stick with me till the end. In order to remove Netflix movies from your continue watching section on Netflix, it's actually very simple to do so, because all you have to do is go ahead and make sure to first of all launch the Netflix application. And as you launch the Netflix app, just go ahead and then sign into your account. Once you sign into your account, let's say that there is a specific profile where you want to actually go ahead and then see all this viewing history of. Just scroll down and here you'll be able to see all the continue watching for this profile. So now if I want to remove a specific movie or a show from continue watching, here you can see the three dots. Just tap the three dots next to the movie or the show, and then just tap on this option called remove from row from the bottom. Once you tap on remove from row, and just tap on the OK button to confirm, and that movie is actually going to get removed from your continue watching over here, as you would be able to see it. Now it's no longer there. This way you can repeat the process for all of the other movies and TV series as well. Hope this video helped you guys. If you have any questions, of course feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.